Thank you for applying for our full-time real estate agent position on Indeed. As the next step in the process, please schedule a cut through the crap agent freedom appointment on the Calendly link below. Please note that this is a full-time and 1099 only agent position. We do not hire any part-time agents or agents on salaries. This is purely a commission-based position. We provide all of our agents with all the buyer and seller leads and appointments, so you will never have to cold call, never have to door knock or beg for referrals. We also do not have any desk fees or commission splits. Our agents make an average of $100,000 guaranteed within the first 12 months. So if you want to guarantee that income for yourself, please set up that cut through the crap agent freedom call now. We have 2 to 3 more open positions for ambitious agents just like you who may be looking to increase their annual income by a minimum and guaranteed $100,000 in next 12 months. So, if you know of friends, family members who may be interested in exploring, please encourage them to apply on our Indeed job position. I look forward to speaking with you soon, and good luck to your future.